Hi everybody, Lance the Option Teacher here. This video I'm going to go over two winning SRX trades that I took today. First one today at 10 o'clock Central Standard Time. We had a bullish momentum alert as these little green triangles here. You see how we crossed above the R2 and then we're above the ADMA and also above the general trend. That's bluish means positive. So I entered in 3 contracts at the 693 call, and that's pretty much a little bit out of the money because we closed at 692.70 and let it ride up. I closed 2 out at 1.23, so about a 10% return. And I had a runner on. I moved my runner stop at 1.1, and then this candle got me out at 1.09. We could have almost hit R3. We came really close to it. If we hit R3, that would have been around 1.35, 1.4 for the contract. So pretty good trade. Here is the trade log in 1.1. 3 contracts. Sold 2 at 1.23. Sold the last at 1.09. Then took a second trade later. This one was an even better one. This was a diamond. Blue diamond means it's a bullish setup at 12:30 Central Standard Time. I got in before the candle closed on it because we saw a big up move during lunch. See how it braked, retested, and then shot up. And bought 3 contracts at 694 for 0.52. Closed 2 out pretty quickly at 0.57 for 10% gain or so. And then I left the runner on. You can see the market kept going up. And I closed my runner out at 0.81. Essentially just keep moving up my limit and my stop until the runner closes out. This is the confirmation. Again, 0.52, right at 12:30, 29 seconds. Sold just about 2 minutes later at 0.57. And then literally warming up my lunch. 3 minutes later, close at 0.81. Okay. Here's a trade log. You could see that I have these 2 winning trades here. I'm starting to put down what I did in the positions on my spreadsheet that all members of SRX get access to. I'm also going to leave the link to this YouTube video here as well, so you could replay it, see the different setups I do and how I manage them as well. So you could use this as reference and for practice when you're taking your own trades as well. Currently, we're at a profit of $1,463. And again, I'm using mostly 3 contracts in most cases. So I'm not using a big account size when I'm buying these contracts. I literally spent about $156 for this one, and I made $39 off it, or a 25% return. Average percent win per trade was 9.44, and I have a 92% win rate on these trades. So very accurate levels. Get these levels every day. 8:50 Central Standard Time. Just quickly show you how it's set up. You have it on SPY. Then you go here, set up the alerts, see these little levels come up. And then you go to the 5-minute chart. I typically trade in the 5-minute. And then you could see how it might play with the different candles. This was the bigger win today. See as I move up. We're at 12:30 Central. Blue diamond comes up. All I gotta do is I check my alerts and it pops up. Get notified on my phone and on TradingView. Enter calls, typically in the money, slightly out of the money, or at the money, as close as I can to it. And then I usually try to take out 2 of the 3 contracts at around a 10% gain. And then I have a runner. I just move my stop for the runner where I entered it at, so I won't lose on that trade anymore. And then I move my stop up, lock in more and more profits, and I also move the limit up to possibly get some really big gains on the runner. So again, if this was helpful for you, we talk about this stuff every day. Have a very active chat channel. Have a lot of good traders that are doing scalping and swing trading. So if you're interested in this, click the link in the description down below, and I'll see you guys on that Discord.